Hello viewers, welcome to Skillslash. In this video, we are going to talk about two of the most commonly used programming languages today, Java and Python. After watching this video, you will be able to understand the key similarities and differences between the two languages, their strengths and their areas of application. Java and Python, without any doubt, are the two most popular programming languages today. Starting with similarities first. Java and Python are both high-level and general-purpose programming languages. While Java programming is primarily used to develop web and desktop applications, Python is developers' first choice when developing machine learning and data science-based applications. Let's get to know each of these languages a little more closely before we move on to a comparison between the two. First, Java. Java is an object-oriented coding language just like C or C++. It is, however, more advanced, feature-rich and simplified. Being an open-source programming language, it is freely accessible. Java is most suitable for developing applications such as enterprise systems, embedded systems, and middleware applications. Now, Python. Python is also a high-level object-oriented programming language. With fewer lines of code, Python is simpler to learn and code. It is most commonly used to build machine learning applications, operating systems, language development projects, games, image processing applications and prototyping. Let us now compare the two languages. We said Python is a simple language to learn and code. This is because Python is an interpreted, dynamically typed programming language. What this means is that Python does not require the programmer to declare variables, unlike Java where it is mandatory to do so. Let us now see how Java and Python perform on various parameters. First, productivity. In Python, the simplicity of code syntax and shorter codes make it more productive than Java. While Java requires the code to be written inside the class, in Python, there is no such rule and we can simply start writing the code. Next, performance. Being a statically typed programming language, Java codes are easier to compile and execute compared to Python. Code readability. While Java and Python both emphasize code readability, developers often prefer Python to keep the code shorter, avoiding additional code for easier maintenance of the applications. Standard library. One of the main reasons developers prefer Python to Java is the former's large and comprehensive standard library that saves the programmer a significant amount of time and effort. The developer has the luxury of choosing from over 130,000 libraries that can be used for various purposes such as text processing, image processing, web and testing frameworks, and much more. Ease of learning. The ease and simplicity of syntax makes Python just what beginners want to start learning and coding in. For example, there is no need to declare variables in Python as it automatically detects the same. Java, on the contrary, requires some extra coding effort to be put in. All variables in Java must be compulsorily declared. Wrapping up this video, it is obvious that each of these programming languages has its own merits and demerits. There cannot be a simple answer to which of the two languages is better. The selection of the language depends upon the type of application a programmer wants to create. It is always useful to analyze your program requirements, select a language, and then proceed. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to Skillslash for more such content.